Alright, so for a starter, I have a sore throat, and you might find my voice different today or funny somehow, but I'm doing here the best I can, and hopefully the video will be alright. So anyway, guys, we are here today to analyze the gold, and let's now see what we can do with this pair in the upcoming days of this coming week. Right now, of course, I'm on the monthly chart, and I would like first to show you that my prediction for the gold from the last week was actually correct. So right now, what I did last week actually was simply drawing here a support trend line, which of course has been created back in 2008 February, and it has been respected back in 2015 and 2018 as well. Now what you will do next is simply drag and drop the same line that you have just drawn here and just clone it. Clone it just like this. Now what you will do to find the edge of the channel before the channel is even being created is to place it right there exactly at the edge of the highest level of the resistance trend line. So as you can see right here, that was of course the highest level of a resistance trend line. What happened next is amazing. The gold has indeed reversed exactly at the edge of that channel, which means now the gold, in my opinion, is taking rest, and now it's gonna make a correction before it resumes the rise. So therefore I believe that this coming week we are looking to short the gold. Not of course for a long time, because the gold is gonna make a retest at a certain level, and afterward it might actually make a breakout from it. I actually have predicted since 2 weeks that the gold will definitely reach 2,400, and it did that and reversed exactly at 2,433. Now the gold is reversing, and it fell down for about, it dropped actually for about 900 pips after reaching that level, and right now it's actually at 2,344. Let's not confused. Anyway, what's next with this pair? Well, as I said before, the gold is going to make a correction and it's going to continue the drop before it rises again. So therefore, let's not short the gold for a very long time, because at any moment the gold will make a strong bullish breakout from this channel. Now, let's just use the same line that we have drawn here, the same line, the very same line, and just simply drop it right here exactly at the highest level of the nearest level of a resistance trend line to that bullish breakout candle. Now, that's going to be our target. We need to be safe. So therefore, in my opinion, the gold will continue the fall till it reach 2,145, respecting or actually retesting the broken level of a resistance right here. However, I want everybody to be safe. So therefore, we will be shorting the gold only from this point right here till it reach the level of a previous resistance trend line, where it actually might create a new support trend line. So that's of course for safety, but however, again, the gold actually has a chance to drop for another 2,000 pips. Now back to the weekly chart. Now on the weekly chart, we can notice again that the gold closed, dropped for another almost 900 pips, and now we have ended up with the spin bar. Now that is actually an indication that the gold might actually make a continuation in the fall. So again, the weekly chart just simply confirms our theory. Back now to the daily chart. Now here on the daily chart is the trick, because right now, as I said before, our order will be to continue sell the gold till it reach that level of a previous resistance trend line, but that's gonna be for about 1,400 pips, which is really a lot. So what we will do is actually reduce our take profit level to be even right here at this level of a previous resistance. Actually, I'm showing you right now my philosophy in trading Forex. For example, if I am, for example, let me just tell you, for example, if I place my trade right here on this level of a resistance, if I sell the market right here, and I predict that this is going to be my take profit level, then I will reduce my take profit level to be right here only. So actually, my analysis says that the market will continue the fall till it reaches this level of a support, but I really want to be safe. I just really don't, we cannot trust the Forex market. It will never be the same every day, and sometimes it might actually reverse before it hit your take profit level, and I'm sure that all of you have suffered this before. So therefore I chose a take profit level that will be actually in the middle way. So it's gonna be for me safer option that for sure the gold will reach this level right here of the support, then I will close my trade in profit. So right now I have actually exited this trade with a profit, regardless if the market will reverse right now or will continue the fall toward my original analysis. That's my philosophy in trading forex, and even we will do it even more than that. So what I told you before is our take profit level will be right here on this level of a previous resistance. Let's even make it higher than that. Let's even make it right here at that level of a previous support, because in my opinion the gold will definitely either respect or actually retest this level of a resistance or this level of a resistance. Now the gold is really hard to be predicted. And we have got to play safe as much as possible. So therefore, in my opinion, if the gold will make any drop, it will surely pass this level of a support before it makes any further reversals, or it continue the fall to retest the broken level of a resistance right here, or even right here, or this level of a resistance, either one of them. I mean, I'm not setting random levels. I'm just telling you guys that if you want to be sure to get out of the profit if we sell, then hopefully this is going to be our take profit level, and that's not going to be a few pips. It's going to actually be a lot. It will be 640 pips. So therefore I have explained to you the reason for choosing this level as of our take profit level. Let's now go to the smaller time frame to find our entry to sell the gold. So moving right now to the 1 hour time frame. Right here on the 1 hour time frame, I would like actually to set my sell level to be right here exactly for 2 reasons. Number 1, this was of course the nearest level of a real resistance to this bearish breakout candle. Second of all, if we look right here, we can see here a tail, and that tail has been created right here on the same level of a previous resistance. Now that tail is the nearest level of a support to this bearish breakout candle as well. So therefore, if the gold will make any pullbacks right here, it will surely reverse, not surely, most likely, it will reverse right here in this level of a resistance right here, and it's gonna respect it, and that is gonna be awesome if this has happened. Sorry, because we will have a head and shoulders pattern completed, and then we can be sure that the gold will continue the fall. So therefore, our take profit level will be approximately 8,000 pips. Again, the same philosophy of what I told you before. We have analyzed that the gold will continue the fall till it reach either one of these resistance levels. Now what we will do next is even rise it again to be right here at that level of a previous support, because this was of course a support number 1, and this was of course 2 attempts of a resistance. So therefore the gold, if it's going to continue the fall based on the 1 hour time frame, it will continue the fall at least to reach the same level of that support. Do you see what I'm doing right here? I'm just keep going to the safer points, one point after another. So the gold again, guys, has a chance to continue the fall to even much more than that. But again, let's just be safe. The gold right now is really risky, and to be honest with you, I have some nervousness actually to send you a signal to sell the gold at the moment. But it is what it is. It is what we are seeing right now on the gold. So therefore, we can expect at least 540 pips profit from this signal, and 540, right? 500. Yeah, 540. However, this safe zone also shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a previous support right here at 2384.99, which means that is going to be our safe zone, which will be actually a lot this time. It will be about 240 pips against 530 pips. Let me now please write the signal for you. Alright, so now in the end, my friends, it's really important to remind you that we are actually a forex trader. We are investors. If you go to any company, in any company there will be the CEO, there will be the general manager, there will be the accountant, there will be the labor, there will be the engineer and the planner, blah blah blah. But if you are trading forex, you are all of that together. You are the general manager, you are the accountant, you are the labor, you are the CEO. So therefore, if you enter any trade, it should be actually an investment. You should actually deal with it as an investment. So for example, if you have $8,000 in your account, you have to make sure that you are actually investing in this trade. So don't be shocked if the trade reach the stop loss and be surprised and say, oh my god, I fucked up, I lost my money, I blah blah blah. Don't say that. You have to invest. I mean, for example, you can invest about let's say about $200 from this balance in this trade. So therefore make sure that your stop loss is equivalent to $200. Don't be greedy, don't go for more than that. Always be sure, guys, that you have been prepared for the losses, because they are always part of trading forex. Especially trading the gold is really risky right now nowadays. So therefore let's all be safe, and remember that any signal sent right here on YouTube can actually fail and runs in loss. And also, don't forget, of course, to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this very same signal. If I noticed that the gold is rising very sharply and a price action shows that there is no hope for a bearish reversal, I will update you right here on Telegram. Make sure to check the description in the here below the video, and this is of course the link to join the real and authentic Telegram channel of Xtreme Trader. Again, thankfully, because of our good reputation in the market, there are actually at least 10 scammers pretending to be Xtreme Trader and using our name and logo. Ignore all of them and just make sure to join the real and original link. As you can see right here, this is our link, my friends, to join the free group of Telegram of Xtreme Trader. So until then, stay safe, everyone, and hopefully I will see you next time in another video by tomorrow, Monday. Until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.